The Genesis GV60 Magma comes equipped with a special Magma menu, allowing easy access to performance and monitoring functions. To access the Magma menu, press the Home button and then select Magma. This menu is unique to the GV60 Magma and will change appearance when selecting different drive modes. To select between range, comfort, or sport, turn the dial surrounding the Magma steering wheel button. To select between My Drive mode and GT or Sprint Magma drive modes, press down on the Magma steering wheel button to cycle through. For all drive modes, the main screen will display power output, performance ranges, and temperature readings for the electric motors and the main battery pack. Select the settings icon in the lower right to access Magma features. Virtual Gear Shift simulates the feeling of an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and uses the steering wheel paddles for shifting. Active Sound Design uses the in-car sound system to amplify motor sound and feedback. High-performance battery control provides Magma-specific battery conditioning modes that can help prepare your main battery pack for the needs of performance driving. Burst mode is designed for short duration and maximum acceleration, while race mode is optimized for longer duration performance driving. Drift mode switches the GV60 Magma from all-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive only and minimizes electronic stability control. Drift mode offers drift-specific control for intuitive drifting-style performance driving. Some of these features can also be reached through the Magma menu by swiping right or turning the central control knob. Virtual gear shift and high-performance battery control are also available on this screen. The G-force meter monitors cornering, braking, and acceleration forces on the GV60 Magma, allowing drivers to see real-time G-force data. In addition, the performance timer is designed to help drivers measure and record acceleration performance over a series of runs. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.